Hey, it's Tytus LiWen from Dance Insanity. Today we have a wonderful rumba routine for you to learn.
So this routine is a really good one because it has a lot of unexpected transitions coming out of more basic figures.
And those basic figures are going to be 2 cucarachas, a series of chassés, a spot turn, fan, a sliding door, and then we're going to repeat it all on the other side.
And now it's time for footwork. We're going to go side on that right foot, replace to the left, and close the right foot. Then we're going to go side left, replace the right, and close the left foot. 2 cucarachas down. We're going to go side right, close the left foot. Side right, close the left foot, side right. Now, we're going to cross that left foot, swivel on that left foot, replace the right, swivel on the right foot, and step back on the left into a fan position. Now, close that right foot. Go forward on the left. You're going to swivel on that left foot into a press line. Now you're going to go ahead and do the whole thing from the very beginning on the other side. So cucaracha left side, then replace the right and close that left foot. Then you can cucaracha again. Side right, replace the left, close the right foot. And we're going to chassé to the left, close the right, side left, close the right, side left. It's a spot turn with the right leg. So cross with that right, swivel it on the right leg, come back to the left, swivel, step back on the right leg. We're in fan on the other side. Now close your left foot. You're going to come forward on the right foot, and then you're going to swivel into a press line with that left leg forward. Weight still on the right until we syncopate to begin the whole thing again. And 2, and 3, and we keep doing it over and over again.
Yes!
Timing. So we're starting off with the weight on the left foot. We're going to do cucaracha on 2. So it goes 4, 1, side on 2, replace 3, and close on 4, 1. Then side left on 2, 3, close, 4, 1. Now we're going to speed things up. Side 2 and 3 and 4, hold 1, cross the left, 2, swivel, replace 3, swivel, and back on 4, hold the 1, close 2, 3, and press line 4, hold 1, same thing other side. And we have syncopate and step 2, cucaracha, replace 3, close it on 4, hold that 1, cucaracha, and 2, 3, 4, hold 1, syncopate, left 2, and 3, and 4, hold the 1. We're going to do a spot turn. It's going to be and 2, replace 3, step back on 4, hold the 1, close on 2, forward 3, swivel into a press on 4, hold the 1, ready to start again, and 2, and repeat as needed. Okay, we're going to show you some of the common mistakes that happen in this routine. We're going to mirror this. This is now your right side. Now I know what you're thinking. You're going to be like, I want to just follow the feet from behind, and that will slow down your learning process, so trust me. Get comfortable mirroring it, okay? We're mirroring it. Now, we're going to do the routine from the beginning. Starts off real normal. You just got a normal cucaracha. 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4. Now you're thinking of another regular one, but instead we're going to syncopate. 2, and 3, and 4. Now we got that spot turn. This is where it gets tricky. You swivel, 2, 3, you're thinking side step. No, we're going to swivel, step back into that fan. Now we close that fan. 2, 3, you're thinking forward walk, side walk, maybe a turn, but no. Press line. A little bit less usual. That's where we're doing something a little different. Now we got the whole routine from the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Syncopation, a little bit different than usual. We got our spot turn, 2, 3, you're thinking forward or side, but no, we swivel. We're back in a fan position on the other side. We close on 2, we walk forward 3, we swivel into a press line, 4, 1, and we're ready to do the whole thing again on the other side. Yes. With music! Check out your top 10 right there. Yeah, I like the Rumba. And get us on Instagram right down here. And of course, you want to subscribe it up right down there.
Do it now.
There's so many places to click.
We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.